Today we are coming to nearest park connector network for our school.
Hello everyone, I'm Shohar. Now I'm going to talk about the park connect that is near BC Academy. So now let's go.
You may not know what the relation between these three and the park connector network is, hence let's tell you.
Those trees and the park connector network form a small mountain road that makes people feel like riding in the forest, which also allow people to ride safely. Now the network we are in will be connected to the Ang Park.
You can see that in this area, the playground and the park connector network are connected together.
We think that the surrounding tree make life close to nature. This not only allows children to have enough place to play, but they can also learn to ride a bicycle here.
Let's hear our teammates talk about his view now.
This playground is inside the park connector. See, this is a tree and there is a tree. So this is inside the park connector, and the playground is very suitable combined with the park connector. And this playground I think is very useful because they can train they can take the exercise for the children and let children have fun in this playground.
When you walk a few steps forward, you can see a building like this.
You can see that this is a design that mimics the shape of the leaves, and this place allows people who riding a bicycle can rent shelter here. Inside is a small exercise place.
The park connector network also passes through a barbecue grill, which allows you to ride a bicycle with friends to come here and enjoy the barbecue during holidays. The park connector network has passed through several training grounds, so when people are tired of cycling, there is a place to rest and do some exercise. When we walk through the HDB, we can clearly see that the workers are now building a better cycle path, which will allow us to ride more safely.